Let's imagine for a second that you are living your dream life in your off-grid home. You've got solar power on the roof, that right, inverter and your batteries, and you are chilling in your off-grid abode. Things are going great for a while. You're chilling, you're watching TV, doing everything you want. All of a sudden, your clock stops and your batteries get depleted. Reaching for your flashlight, and you go fix it. Everything is okay again. But then the flashlight stops working. Well, that's okay because your batteries are working again because you fixed the problem. Point is, everything in your off-grid abode is running on your off-grid batteries. What about stuff like your clock, flashlight, toys, your TV, your TV remote? They run on different kinds of batteries. So unless you stock up on batteries, you need to go all the way to the store, which is really far away from your off-grid abode. Annoying, right? You could stock up on your everyday AA batteries. This is a battery. You'll end up with a big bucket of batteries. And of course you recycle, right? Of course you do. Everyone does that. You do know there's a better way that keeps you from driving to the store, fill up your bucket of batteries, drive to the recycling station. Anyway, you get the point. I had to go to the store to buy some rechargeable batteries. Banggood.com sent me the Astrolux VC02 to check out. So, in the box you got your charger, the Astrolux, looks good, carrying bag, a USB-C charging cable, and the user manual. In order for us to test the charger, we need to drain our rechargeable batteries. I rigged up a high-tech solution for draining. I'll be back after draining the rechargeable batteries. So the batteries are depleted, and this is the Astrolux VC02 ready to be tested. I can recharge pretty much any battery that fits in these slots. It will recognize the battery type automatically, and it's run by USB. So if you do have a portable power station available, you can use that to run your charger. We're going to use the Allpowers R600 for this demonstration. Now let's do a test. USB-C to USB. That. And we are live. Let's plug in the AA battery. Positive. Pointing up. Like that. You can charge it at half an amp, 1 amp, or 2 amps by pressing the A, I think. See right there. Get your information by pressing the C. Charging time. And the amp hours charged in milliamps. Let's connect the AAA battery. Let's do a 2 amp charge on both. Switch it with C, maybe? Yeah. I probably only use this battery charger to charge these kinds of batteries for my flashlights, my remotes, kids' toys, stuff like that. If I were to do a, say, 18650 project, building my own battery, I would probably go for a bigger charger with a discharge option and all the bells and whistles. But for this purpose, I like this one. The Astrolux VC02. This is fun. Nice. Now let's just see what happens when the battery is fully charged. Alright, so it's been about 3 hours and the AAA battery is fully charged and the AA battery is closely behind. Bigger battery, longer charging time. So, final thoughts on the Astrolux VC02 is that it's a highly usable product. Rechargeable batteries come at a higher upfront cost, but they can last a really long time, which saves space and trips to the store. I think this is a gadget worth having in stock if you are a off-gridder or a prepper. Even a great thing to have in a camper van or an RV. What do you guys think? Do you use rechargeable batteries? Do you have a charger for them? Or do you just buy cheap batteries at the store in bulk and recycle and buy more when you run out? Let me know. I will leave some affiliate links in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And yeah, until next time.